The UL error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates an unbalanced load problem, which can be caused by an off-balance load, worn-out suspensions, or choosing the wrong wash cycle for the loaded items. To fix this issue, it's essential to address these potential causes. An off-balance load can be resolved by avoiding the washing of single items, not overloading the washer with bulky items, and refraining from tightly packing clothes, as they require space to move around. Additionally, selecting the wrong wash cycle can be rectified by consulting the user manual to determine the appropriate cycle for each load type, which helps maintain the machine's balance during spinning. If the issue is due to worn-out suspensions, the solution involves unplugging the machine, moving it away from the wall, and laying it down to access the suspension rods at the bottom. Inspecting these rods for damage and replacing them with new ones, if necessary, and ensuring they are at the same level, can resolve the problem. After repositioning the machine and powering it back up, if the issue persists, it's recommended to seek guidance from a professional.